1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Street is very natural. You feel the way the life turns in the city. So if you are on the street, you are together with the life of the street.
Been here 3 times, always passing to go to Greece, and I like really much this place. It's peaceful, there's not too much people, and I like the river. I like this place.
The best thing about music and street music is you always get a smile. Doesn't matter how much money you earn, there's always one smile.
Pa tudi v Ljubljani je tako, ali pa v Sloveniji, da recimo ni tako, da bi preganjali ulične glasbenike, ker se sliši, da v kakšnih mestih moraš imeti tudi izkaznico ali pa nekaj takega za igrati.
Most of the time when you're a street musician in other countries, you have to sort of dodge the police. You play until the police tell you to move, and then you move and you go play elsewhere.
We arrived and asked the woman at the tourist center, and she said, "Yeah, sure, do you like music? Come on, let's play. I'll show you the place."
We have been doing it also in strange places like little villages in Albania. We were the first doing something strange, which was playing with fire.
Vse dogaja zdaj, tak cvet, tako da ulični glasbeniki imamo radi toplo in suho vreme.
It was raining, depression was totally, and we say, let's play hard and fast. So we start to play and play and play, and suddenly we got happy, people get happy, and money start to rain.
If we would do covers, we would earn more money, but it's not about the money, it's about music. Yeah, wishes, we'll give it all. Rolling down the dirty dishes, stacked in the empty kitchen. At the dining counter, buying us a seat.
Mogoče je ulica ena taka prvih stopnic za kaj tazga, ne?
Most of the time, it's not you who act on the street, but it's the street that acts on you.
It's a beautiful school, the street.
We started on the street and we die on the street.
Run along, mad cat, get you going, mad cat, sing along, yeah.
Hvala vamo na vaše televizije, od naših band, DZMP.